In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build Airtable learning system using Claude AI. Begin by opening Claude AI and starting a new chat. This is where you will generate the structure for your learning management system. Once the chat is open, copy and paste a single prompt that tells Claude to create the system directly in your Airtable using the integration. The prompt should ask for tables for topics, resources, and progress. It should also request fields for topic name, resource type, status, progress, owner, study date, notes, and categories. Make sure the prompt also asks for a structured learning workflow so the system is fully configured and ready to use. After sending the prompt, give Claude a moment to generate and build the Airtable base. When the process is complete, move over to Airtable and open your workspace. You should now see the newly created learning system base available there. Open that base so you can review how everything has been set up. Start by checking the topics table. Confirm that the table exists and that all the expected fields have been created correctly. Look for fields such as topic name, categories, owner, study date, and notes. This table will act as the main place to organize what you want to learn. Next, open the resources table. Review the fields and make sure the structure matches what you requested. You should see areas for resource type and related details that help organize learning materials. This table will be useful for tracking books, videos, articles, courses, or any other resources connected to your topics. Then move to the progress table. This is where you verify that status and progress tracking are working correctly. Check that the status field is set up in a usable way, and that the progress field can clearly show how far along you are. This part is important because it helps you monitor your learning over time. Once that is done, review the overall organization of the base. Make sure categories are present and that the system feels clean and structured. The goal is to have a setup that is easy to navigate and practical for ongoing use. When everything looks correct, you can start using the learning system right away, add your own topics, enter resources, and update progress as you study. This gives you a simple way to keep your learning organized inside Airtable. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.